processing power will be on the internet. So you don't really have to have any kind of hardware to do the processing. So they are going to make a new operating system which is going to be very, very small, and it will make the computers even cheaper. The kind of project we are working on is we have a few platforms, like Facebook is one of the platforms which we use, and we encourage children and guys, I'm calling children, but the students and the new guys which we join to make applications for Facebook. And one of the things which I wanted to point out was related to Facebook also. But we have now 3 platforms, which means that the user or the programmer or the developer can use any language. It does not matter. He can use .NET, he can use PHP, he can use Perl, and he makes application on top of our platform. So if we have a VoIP platform and he thinks of a new idea, he wants to integrate email into phone. So he can do that using our platform. So he can use any language he wants. Similarly, we have a school management system where you can use the accounting module for our school management system over the internet, and you can write your module in .NET or Perl or PHP, or it doesn't really matter, any language, Java, doesn't matter, because everything which is going to be between your platform and ours will be on XML. It'll use simple, it becomes like a platform. So everything, you don't need any computing power in the near future. Google is giving unlimited space on the internet. You can make any application you want. Lots of other companies are doing the same thing. So within our company, we mainly use PHP and .NET, if that answers. We have received 4 students of yours. We have worked with them. They came for 2 weeks and they just disappeared. I don't know what happened. So I hope we can actually collaborate a little further, where if the student could get some credits out of what he's doing with us. So, for example, one of the projects which we have was for creating a new kind of SIP, Flash-based SIP client. And one of the guys who was from here, his name is Basit Ali, I believe. He, in 2 days, found a way to create a Flash-based SIP client, and we even have a bounty for that, meaning we have an outsourced project available, anybody can take it. He found a way to create a Flash-based SIP. He actually worked on it for 2 weeks. I introduced him to another company in the UK who would become our R&D partner, and they would guide him, but then he didn't show up anymore.
Actually, so sir, our session started.
Right. So, but still he can work from home. He can still have a few hours a day, 2 hours a day from home. He doesn't have to really sit in our office. That's one thing which will change in the near future as petrol becomes maybe 200 rupees a liter. So do you really want to come to an office at 200 rupees a liter or even more? So the best way is to have a DSL at home and just work from home. You don't have to come into our office. So the psyche of the parents have to change before the students, because students can do that, but the parents keep on nagging. How can you work from home? How can you work from home? Why are you sitting at home all the time? I mean, घर से बैठ के कौन काम करता है? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? तो ये चीज़ें थोड़ी सी चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. आप अगर जब भी कभी टीचर्स पेरेंट्स से मिलें, स्पेशली मैं कॉल सेंटर इंडस्ट्री से आ रहा हूँ, तो हम तो सुबह से शाम सबसे ज़्यादा यही ताने पड़ते थे कि घर से बैठ के कैसे काम करते हैं, रात को कौन सी जॉब होती है, रात को क्या काम करते हैं.
अच्छा सर, अभी हमने इंटर्नशिप शुरू की है यहाँ पे अपने STI डिपार्टमेंट में. तो हमने जो उसमें पैटर्न रखा है ना, वो फ्रीलांसिंग का ही है. हम उनको ये सिखा रहे हैं कि आपको हर वक्त ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ऑन साइट बैठ के आपका मैनेजर आपको हर वक्त ट्रैक करता रहे और आप फिर काम करो. आपने यहाँ आना है चीज़ों को चेक कराने के लिए फॉर द सेक ऑफ असेसमेंट ओनली. तो हम ये चीज़ करा रहे हैं इंशाल्लाह, इंट्रोड्यूस ना स्टूडेंट्स को.
थिंग्स विल चेंज. जैसे जैसे इंटरनेट पावरफुल होता जा रहा है, सस्ता होता जा रहा है. 1000 रुपये में 1 मेगाबिट बैंडविड्थ मिलती है,